Hey kids! Today, let's learn to read 50 CVC words. I see a cat. I see a hat. I see a bat. I see a rat. I see a bag. I see a map. I see a fan. I see a cap. I see a pan. I see a cab. I see a bed. I see a jet. I see a web. I see a pen. I see a hen. I see a leg. I see a net. I see a vet. I see a gem. I see a pet. I see a pig. I see a pin. I see a bin. I see a fin. I see a kid. I see a wig. I see a kit. I see a zip. I see a tin. I see a 6. I see a dog. I see a log. I see a pot. I see a box. I see a fox. I see a mop. I see a cob. I see a rod. I see a dot. I see a hog. I see a bug. I see a cup. I see a bus. I see a cub. I see a gum. I see a tub. I see a hut. I see a nut. I see a bun. I see a pug. Get ready. We're going to revise all 50 words. Cat, hat, bat, rat, bag, map, fan, cap, pan, cab, bed, jet, web, pen, hen, leg, net, wet, gem, pet, pig, pin, bin, fin, kid, wig, kit, zip, tin, 6, dog, log, pot, box, fox, mop, cob, rod, dot, hog, bug, cup, bus, cub, gum, tub, hut, nut, bun, pug. Great job reading! You read all 50 words. Like, share, and subscribe to Brain Pops. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.